Question 13. An insect measures 5 centimetres in length. A snake measures 1 metre in length. How many times smaller is the insect than the snake? Here we have our insect and our snake, and we know that the insect measures 5 centimetres and the snake measures 1 metre. First of all, we should think about the equivalent in centimetres of 1 metre. 1 metre is the same as 100 centimetres. This is how long the snake is in total, and we know that our insect is 5 centimetres. So we should work out how many times the length of the insect can fit into the length of the snake, and this is how many times smaller the insect is than the snake. So if we know that one insect on its own would have a measurement of 5 centimetres, then a second insect, put end to end with the first insect like this, would have a total length of 10 centimetres. So this would be 2 of our insects. Now we can do some doubling, because if I had 4 insects end to end like this, then 4 insects would be double that 10 centimetres. You can see I've doubled the number of insects, so I would double the measurement, and this would be 20 centimetres. I can do this again. If I have 8 insects end to end, so a group of 4 and then another group of 4, this means I've doubled the number of insects again to 8, so I will double their measurement, and this would be 40 centimetres. So we know that 8 insects would be 40 centimetres, or 1 insect 8 times. We can double once again, so if we double 8 insects, this means we would have 16 insects altogether. We can also double the measurement, so 16 insects would be 80 centimetres. Now we can go back to one of our previous measurements. We know that 4 insects have a total measurement of 20 centimetres. And remember, we're trying to make 100 centimetres altogether. If I have 16 insects at 80 centimetres and I added a further 4 insects, this would be adding another 20 centimetres. 80 and 20 makes 100 centimetres. And you can see that we had 16 and then a further 4 insects. This is a total of 20 insects. And this means that one insect is 20 times smaller than the snake, because we would need 20 of them to have the same measurement as our snake.